Power, efficiency, technology, safety. These are all the features you proudly deliver every time your customers purchase a Caterpillar. Now, imagine if you could also deliver the expert knowledge for them to take full advantage of all of it, right at their fingertips, right when it matters most. Let us introduce you to aQuiRe. aQuiRe is an app-based platform that provides company-wide safety and training for the construction industry.
There is a growing demand across many industries to communicate years of industry experience to the next generation of workforce in a way that's clear, organized, and instantly accessible.
Stepping into a CAT machine, an operator encounters a QR-coded decal. Scanning this code with their phone takes them directly to a menu of e-learning modules for that specific machine model. From there, they can easily choose from 5 key areas: safety, daily inspection, operations, systems, and a feature focus highlighting the special features for that machine.
We know that whatever training information you may find on the internet can be disorganized, poorly produced, or maybe not even giving you the right message. That's why every module that's professionally produced in aQuiRe will fit your specific goals for your organization, your inventory, and your customers' needs.
The aQuiRe app has given us the ability to quickly deliver pinpoint information to operators, whether that operator is newer to that machine or it's a seasoned operator that we're trying to get to understand and use the technologies to make him more efficient. The aQuiRe app gives us the ability to do that in a fairly quick fashion, that he can scroll through segments and learn what he needs to at his own pace.
Talk to a Cahill Tech representative today to find out how your team can gain access to aQuiRe and take your success to a whole new level.